my friends, this is Daisy. Today I'm going to talk about one of the advantages of leading now-win box bag machine, about the Mazak machine center. Here are two sets Mazak FMS flexible production lines, each consisting of 6 horizontal machine centers, tool libraries, exchange workstations, fully automatic conveyor lines, and PNC program control terminals. It is widely used in the production of spare parts for traditional automotive engines, suitable for production tasks with multiple varieties and small batches. And the machine can run in 24 hours without stopping. FMS's flexible production line have many intelligent application modules, including intelligent warehousing, automatic transposition, automatic processing, automatic tool changing, online detection, and defect removal. At present, the 5 major components of the leader now-win box bag machine, including the push seat bottom plate, belt box, ultrasonic border, motor seat, etc., are all processed on this line to ensure efficient and consistent quality of each processed part, reduce errors caused during the processing, and make the machine more stable during high-speed running. Let made in China quality machine go to the world. Industry is keeping changing because of us.